Hi. I want you to think of the most exhaustive day that your body has had. Body ache, stress, headache, feeling like the body is just at the verge of a breakdown. Stressful, right? Now imagine you have to live like that every day. That's what lupus does. Lupus, or systemic lupus erythematosus, an autoimmune disorder, where the immune system becomes so dysregulated that instead of protecting the body, it starts acting against it. The worst part, there is no cure. It can affect almost any organ in the body, and the symptoms flare unpredictable. But if not a cure, we have a treatment, hydroxychloroquine, a drug which is supposed to calm the immune system down. But strangely, it works for some, while for the rest, it doesn't. So, why is that? Well, that's the question I'm trying to answer. That what exactly shifts inside the immune system of a person with lupus after they are being treated with HCQ? Which are the cells that calm down, and which are the ones that don't? So how am I doing that? I'm using this very nuanced technique called single-cell RNA sequencing, a technique that allows me to dive deep into the immune system and look at each cells individually. So rather than looking at a big, blurry picture of the immune system, I can see that how each and every cell is reacting to the treatment. I take blood samples from patients with lupus before and after the treatment, and also blood samples from healthy volunteers. Run them through this technique and do a series of computational analysis in which I compare that what has exactly changed with the treatment for these patients and how it also differs from healthy individuals. But you still must be wondering that why am I doing that? Well, the answer is simple: biomarkers. Biomarkers are the cell-level signals, the signals that I'm trying to trace, which will help us identify early on that if that particular patient is actually going to respond to the treatment or not, and if not, what other strategy can be used. Hence, by studying the immune system one cell at a time, I'm trying to convert this unclarity of lupus into clarity, which means these people living with this disease get to live more, wait less, and have more control over their lives and also this disease. Thank you.